Okay, once again, good morning all. Today I'm going to start Unit 4, and in Unit 4, there is argumentative essay. It means we are going to talk about argumentative essay today. Look at here, the thing we are going to discuss here in rhetorical focus, argumentative organization. It means organization of argumentative essay or structure of argumentative essay. And counter argument, how to pose, how to write counter argument, and reputation. These three ingredients are parts of argumentative essay. And when we compose argumentative essay, we need to consider some grammatical points as well. For example, how to present concessions. It means concession means is a type of agreement with the opposing view. Argumentation itself means arguing about the title, about the thing you want to convenience, you want to somehow insist somebody else. And connector, we need some sort of different connectors for argumentative essay, especially about addition and maintaining contrast. And adverbial clauses, we need some sort of different adverbial clauses for argumentative essay. And maintaining noun clauses, we have discussed about how to make noun clauses out of clauses. Okay, now let's start. See, part 1, stimulating ideas. Whenever you are supposed to write something, the first and the most important thing you need to know is how to develop, how to stimulate ideas. Without stimulating ideas, or if your mind is passive and if you cannot think yourself properly, then you cannot argue. You need to believe another. So you can see the picture here. What can you say when you see this picture? For example, what is happening in the picture? Busy, can you say something? What is happening here? What is happening in the picture? You can see there is a policeman, maybe a boy has been arrested. You can see laptop on the table, speaker, headphones, it means, right? So maybe the person has done some sort of cyber crime, right? Or is doing something in internet. So in this way, you have to create a type of mental picture before you begin writing anything. And let's go to a sample of writing. I'm not going to talk about this. There are so many samples. I'll go back to this. Look at here. See, read the essay below. What rule does the title refer to? Look at here. First paragraph. You know, three important things we need to mention in first paragraph. They are hook in number 1. Then what is the next? And third one? What is the third thing you write in introductory part of essay? Key this point. Third and the most important thing is
thesis statement.
Thesis statement, yes. See the first sentence. How does it hook you? Hook means it should be very much interesting. It needs to draw your attention, right? So should be interesting one. And you need to find out also what does breaking the rule means. And high school students often look for shortcuts to make their work easier. Work means what does student do? They need to write assignment. They need to do homework. They need to do project work. They need to carry out research. This means to achieve a good grade, students are sometimes tempted to cheat. One of the most frequent ways of cheating is to buy essays off the internet. This essay is too much somehow very common in developed countries, but we are hardly accessing internet nowadays. But we also do this. This may result in a good grade. However, plagiarism, remember the word plagiarism. Plagiarism is irresponsible from a social and academic standpoint. So this is first paragraph. Can show which one is hook, which one is information, and which one is thesis statement. Let me underline. You say first thesis statement. Let's begin from the last. What is thesis statement? Thesis statement भनेको यहाँ भन्नु त fast. Please on your mic. Laman, tell me. Thesis statement. Which one is thesis statement?
This may result in a good grade, however, develop from social and academic standpoint.
Thesis statement is this one. Look at here. What is there? Plagiarism is irresponsible from a social and academic standpoint. Then what is the title of this essay? Essay ko title के हो? Breaking the rule मात्रै हो. Breaking the rule means के हो? What does this mean? Breaking the rule means खोइ भनेको. Rupesh. Breaking the rule means के हो? What does this mean? Plagiarism, right? अघि पनि भनेको थिएँ, remember the word plagiarism. Plagiarism भनेको चाहिँ के भने कुनै पनि राइटर, कुनै पनि अथरहरूको इन्टेलेक्चुअल प्रोपर्टीलाई मेरो हो, कसैको परिभाषा फर एक्जाम्पल हैन, कसैको सिद्धान्तलाई हामीले अर्काले लेखेको सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई जस्ताको जस्तै हामीले कपी गरेर मेरो हो भनेर चाहिँ क्लेम गरे भने त्यसलाई प्लेजियरिजम भनिन्छ, राइट, इन सिम्पल ल्याङ्ग्वेज. सो ब्रेकिङ द रुल मिन्स प्लेजियरिजम. यो एक्जामिनेसनमा एसे राइटिङमा पनि आइसकेको छ क्वेसन, राइट, एसे एन्ड प्लेजियरिजम भनेर. रिमेम्बर दिस, द्याट्स व्हाई आइ एम फोकसिङ अन दिस. एन्ड नाउ what is the author going to write about plagiarism? यसले के भन्दै छ? प्लेजियरिजम भनेको के हो रे? द्याट मिन्स irresponsible from a social and academic standpoint. अब यहाँ राइटर लेखेको बारेमा मात्र लेख्छ. if you copy and paste from other writer, other author, other researcher, it's a wrong deed from social. यो फिजिकली चोर्ने मान्छेले पैसा अरु धन सम्पत्तिहरु चोर्छ, अनि यो पढे लेखेको मान्छेहरुले अर्काको भनाइहरु सेन्टेन्सहरुलाई जस्ताको जस्तै कपी पेस्ट गर्दिन्छ. सो एज अ थेफ्ट from social as well as academic standpoint. This is thesis statement, right? Without this, we can't go ahead. It's like a compass in your writing, right? Let's not talk about hook, you know that. Let's not talk about background information, you know that. We have discussed many times about this. Now, Now you have to argue why or how it is irresponsible from social and academic standpoint. अब हामीले आर्ग्यु गर्नुपर्छ। अघि नै भनिसक्यो हामीले कुनै पनि चीज अर्काको एकाडेमिक और इन्टेलेक्चुअल प्रोपर्टीलाई चोरी गरेर कपी पेस्ट गर्नु भनेको के हो? सोशल एन्ड एकाडेमिक पोइन्ट अफ भ्यूबाट चाहिँ इरेस्पोन्सिबल हो। नाउ यू हेभ टु आर्ग्यु हाउ इट इज सो। Okay, let's move on to the next paragraph. You see the first paragraph and see the topic sentence. Which one is topic sentence here? Topic, let me underline. In this sentence, you can see my cursor here. I mean this highlighted paragraph. Which one is topic sentence? Which one? Anshaji, tell me. Topic sentence. Please on your mic. Nisha, are you listening? Which one is topic sentence? Quick, quick. Tell me first, please. कोई बोल देना था।
Plagiarism
Which one?
is
Topic sentence.
first plagiarism is social unacceptable.
Socially
Unacceptable.
Yes, there were 2 points, socially and academically. Remember this. You have to say first socially, then academic. Good. Let's go to the next paragraph. What is there? Plagiarism is also wrong because it is against academic policy. It is compass in the sense that you have said 2 things, socially unacceptable and academically unacceptable. That's why it is compass. Look at here, first one again. Students, how it is wrong socially? Students are expected by teachers and their classmates to do their own work. If a student plagiarizes, you see violates the trust. This may damage the relationship, the student and teacher, as well as the relationship with classmates. I remember once when a student was discovered to have plagiarized this essay, we were mad that our classmate had lied to us. It was an embarrassment for everyone, the institution, the instructor, the student, to discover that he had been cheating all along in this way, right? It will violate what? The trust. This is a type of belief of institution also, instructor also, and students as well. So breaking the trust or losing the trust is socially unacceptable. It means next time he or she or that institution won't believe you. So it is a social issue. It's not academic issue. Next, how it is unacceptable or unethical from academic point of view. See, let's see the second paragraph here, third paragraph, let's say. Topic sentence is plagiarism. Remember that always there should be topic. Topic is plagiarism here. Plagiarism is also wrong because it is against academic policy, even though buying essays and presenting them as your own may save time initially. This practice is against university rule. In fact, universities have ways to prove if students have plagiarized. Instructor can use software that compares student essay and material on the internet. In this way, instructor can detect if a particular essay was copied. The consequences are very serious. I remember when one of my classmates started buying essays to prove that he was an excellent student. After the final exam, our instructor found his essay on a website and a student was expelled. Look at here. academic के लिए. What's wrong? You can save time. There is no question. You can submit excellent work. It doesn't matter. But the final consequences can be this. He or she can be expelled from the institution. And there are other consequences also. Academically, it is wrong. There are so many other things. It can save time and so on, right? But academically, it is wrong. There is argument. In these two paragraphs, you can simply see plain argument. It's wrong in this way. It is wrong in this way, right? Now, let's move on to third paragraph. This is quite sensitive in comparison to other. Look at here, what we are supposed to mention. This one is third. Okay, let's see. It's true that many students at community colleges have busy schedules and may have trouble completing their assignment on time. Look at here. This writer agrees the belief of student. What is the belief of a student? It's true that many students at community colleges have busy schedule, especially in community colleges. Student may be from poor background. They have to work elsewhere. They have to manage their other parts of the thing as well. That's why may have trouble completing their assignment on time. Some students may argue that because of the situation, they sometimes have no choice but to buy essays off the internet. However, look at here. From this point, the writer writes counter argument. This third paragraph is also called refutation. I'll talk about this in detail later. It's a very technical writing essay. Using this model is somehow difficult. It is called refutation paragraph also, but there are other terminology also. In the first point, what does the writer say? It's true that many students at community colleges have busy schedule. Agreement. He agrees or she agrees. Next one is, some students may argue that because of their situation, they sometimes have no choice but to buy the essay of internet. There is no choice. At this point also, the writer agrees. And however begins from here, his argument begins from here, or her argument begins from here. Buying essays of the internet should never be the solution. Instead, student might try to negotiate the deadline with the instructor, right? He or she is trying to somehow bring the point of concession here. Furthermore, while writing may be a struggle for some students who feel that their writing is not good enough to receive an A. And commonly students copy and paste or copy from elsewhere, copy from guide in our context to get good grade. That means it's crucial that they do their own work. They may go to a writing center for help, right? There are other options also. Otherwise, if they plagiarize, they will not develop their own writing and critical thinking skill. As a result, they may not be prepared to pass their final exam. In the end, plagiarizing is harmful to students' on academic success. In this part, let's see what is there. In the final sentence, I'll show you one slide here. Now, structure of last sentence. It will have three things mainly, and it is called refutation. In second paragraph and third paragraph, you will only mention your argument, but in third paragraph, you will be somehow you will agree with the argument of opponents. हामी opponents को idea सँग पनि third paragraph मा है, फेरि अन्त होइन, first paragraph introduction, second paragraph मा हाम्रो argument, third मा पनि argument, यो चाहिँ especially fourth paragraph हो, if you count from the first. यसमा चाहिँ हामी के गर्छौँ भने our topic sentence will be in consonance with opponent को हामीलाई विश्वास गर्छौँ, यो भनेको चाहिँ सही हो तर भन्छ हामी यहाँनिर है. Is it good? I agree on this, but I agree to disagree. है, म यसमा अग्री गर्छु तर डिसएग्रीमेन्ट पनि छ. There means I agree to disagree. यसमा however आएको छ, however, look at here. Same thing here. You can see this point. Okay, look at here. Counter argument. Some students may argue that because of their situation, they sometimes have no choice but to buy essays off the internet. तिनीसँग choice छैन भन्छ, right? And why they don't have choice? I understand that concession भनेको you need to agree with the opposing people. I understand that students are under lots of pressure to produce well-written essays in order to pass their classes, but this does not justify plagiarism. Plagiarism को लागि justify चाहिँ गर्दैन, तर उनीहरूलाई well-written essays चाहिन्छ. म agree गर्छु, this is concession. Again, you need to, तर पनि यस्तो हुँदा हुँदै पनि अब चाहिँ हामी के गर्नुपर्छ, refutation भनेको चाहिँ is like refusing the idea of opponent. विपरीत विचार राख्ने मान्छेले यसो भन्छन्, त्यो के यो हदसम्म चाहिँ ठिक हो, अब चाहिँ तर पनि you need to again justify your idea or ideas. For example, look at here in refutation, if they plagiarize, they will not develop their own writing and critical thinking skills. अब अन्काकोबाट चोरेर लिएर आएर कपी गर्यो भने के समस्या आउन सक्छ भने यो त्यसले के क्रिटिकल थिंकिङ स्किल डेभलप गर्दैन र writing skill develop गर्दैन. As a result, they may not be prepared to pass their final exam. In the end, plagiarizing is harmful to the students' own academic success. यो चाहिँ reputation, यो चाहिँ मैले भनेको third paragraph मा हामीले यो कुरा मेन्सन गर्छौं. अन्त पनि मेन्सन गर्न चाहिँ सकिन्छ, हरेक प्याराग्राफमा यो कुरा मेन्सन गर्न सकिन्छ, तर हामी प्लेनली लेख्दाखेरि के गर्छौं भने argument 1, argument 2, right? Look at here, I'll write over here. Structure. Argument 1, again here. Argument 2, our structure, okay? This is structure, and here introduction. I'm showing you the part of argumentative essay, and third one here, conclusion. Conclusion को हामीले बारम्बार कुरा गरिराखेका छौं. What we mention is very much clear. So look at here. Introduction, argument 1, argument 2, refutation, and conclusion. There are 5 paragraphs. So you need to mention these things. And see conclusion, what do we mention in conclusion? Again, I will show you what is there in this essay. Okay. See conclusion. I believe that this is a restatement of the thesis. Okay, हामीले के भनेको थियौं भने socially and academically unacceptable. There can be some sort of indication. I believe that university authorities should discourage plagiarism by making students more aware of problem it causes. Social problem and academic problem, that means, right? Plagiarism damages classroom relationship. This is social, especially. It violates school policies, prevent students from realizing their own potential. Is academic problem. And finally, what is the viewpoint of author? If we do not stop plagiarism, student will lose out on their education. This is warning. See, the final sentence of the author is warning. You can see the restatement of the thesis. Here, don't be confused with this. This one is restatement of the thesis, right? And conclusion. This is conclusion of first paragraph. It talks about social problem, or you can say second paragraph here, not introductory. And this is conclusion of third paragraph. Academic problem. What is a problem? Academic problem violates social policies and prevent students from realizing their own potential. And the final thought of the author is warning. His or her warning is, if we don't stop plagiarism, many students will lose out on their education. Right? In this way, we can write argumentative essay. And here is a question for you. We are running out of time. We have around 5 minutes time. And we are supposed to prepare similar type of essay, right? I gave you structure also. Here, review your brainstorming ideas and free writing exercise. Then use the chart to write an outline for an argumentative essay about whether or not you think it should be legal to download or share copyrighted materials from the internet. जस्तो कि इन्टरनेटमा कुनै चिजहरू कपिराइट गरेर राखेको हुन्छ, त्यो चाहिँ डाउनलोड गरेर, जस्तो कि यहाँनिर स्याम्पल छ एउटा, यु क्यान सी द फर्स्ट एसे फर दिस, इट इज हियर. You can see Japanese man found guilty of online movie theft. It is in page number. Let me see the page number. Read this essay and try to write 89, right? Page number 89. This man in the picture, right? This man in the picture, he downloaded copyrighted movie and sold in the market, and he tried to earn money. And there is some sort of argument. You will find some argument why downloading copyrighted materials and selling the market is illegal, right? So first you write introduction, second your argument why it is wrong, third paragraph write your argument, and in fourth paragraph write refutation. Refutation will have 3 parts: counter argument, concession, and refutation. भनेको चाहिँ पहिला म अग्री गर्छु यो कुरामा, यो चाहिँ सही भन्ने, त्यसपछि तर पनि भन्ने, हाउएभर भन्ने, राइट? एन्ड त्यसपछिबाट चाहिँ पुटिङ योर अन स्ट्रङ्गर आर्गुमेन्ट. 3 थिङ एज आई showed earlier. Please tomorrow you just write and if possible show me in this structure, right? I think I erase that. Oh. Argumentative essay, right? You can see here also. Can you see this? I think not. I'll share it. I have 3 minutes. Okay, you can see this. This statement, topic sentence 1, topic sentence 2, refutation, and concluding statement. देखिन्छ नि हैन? If you have question about argumentative essay, you can ask me right now. I will try to clear your confusion. Do you have any? Huh? Any problem? छ कसैको? Please on your mic. Otherwise, I am going to end the meeting in the class. सबै बोलौँ समस्या कतै? अनि कसले यो मेरो क्लास मिस गरेको छ त्यो मान्छेहरूले you can email me है, I will send you the videos. I have recorded all the materials I have presented here. If you don't have as well, book छैन भने पनि हैन, you can email me. I'll send the book. Book पनि सेन्ड गरिदिन्छु. त्यसो भए क्लास एन्ड गरिदिउँ. कसैलाई समस्या छ? Anybody else, please tell me. कोही मान्छे बोल्दैन नि त?
कोही बोल्दैन.
त्यही भने कोही बोल्दैन नि. है त त्यसो भए
छैन सर.
भोलि
हस्.
नेक्स्ट थिङ है, ग्रामर पोइन्ट पढाउँछु म यसको हैन. जस्ट ट्राई टु, you may have internet access, you can download some sort of materials from internet as well, right? And we'll talk about the remaining confusing points about argumentative essay. Okay, ल बाइ.
हस् सर.